Well, greetings YouTube. We're doing a quick video that we wouldn't normally do, but I'm at a friend's house and he bought both perfect nozzles, so we're going to try them side by side and try the battery operated nozzle versus the AC nozzle and see which one works best. They appear to work about the same from what I gathered at the show, but now that we're not in the booth, they wouldn't let me film in the booth. So, you know, perfect, we're going to film this anyways. Sometimes we don't take no for an answer, and this is one of those cases. So, we're going to do our usual pickup test. It might be kind of hard to see on this carpet, but let's go ahead and give it a try.
So I asked him, I said, you know, is it, at least was the,
Well, the results look about the same. You'll have to excuse the shadows and the background noise. The results look about the same. The electric one struggled to pick up the hair a little bit, and I'm not sure why. This vacuum is actually very, very powerful that we're using, and it's fresh out of the box. It's maybe the first time it's really been used. I suspect that the lower RPM on this may have made a difference, and when we look at this, we can see that this nozzle will spin kind of slow, but it makes it easier to push, and both of these have this height adjustment. They're both made in the People's Republic of China. Nothing wrong with that. Except this one has a battery slapped on top of it. And it looks like you can charge the battery as well from the port there. The battery is not as easy to put in as some of the other ones I tried at the show. You have to kind of rock it in just right on there. But everything else on this nozzle appears to be the same as the AC one, you know, minus the motor, in terms of how they work. I can't really see a difference if we look at the bottom. So that's kind of cool. They both have the same sort of wheels, same neck. So that means if you buy one of these, you can use the parts that have been made forever from this. So that's kind of cool to see both of these in action and working right. Now I'm going to show the canister that we were using. It was this clean-obsessed perfect vacuum. I guess this was one sold with Bissell's logo on. It's been sold with a lot of people's logo on there. But it's an excellent little canister, and we'll just show you what's in here. This bag is pretty much empty, just to give you guys an idea. I may have filled it, and this was a demo at the VDTA. That's where this particular vacuum came from. Yeah, I always have to do it this way. But other than that, I'm really kind of pleased with the power this thing has. It's really, really powerful. And I'm really pleased with the power of the electric nozzle. Now we'll have to do some further testing and see what the actual real-time battery life is. And I'm going to let my friend get back to me with the numbers in terms of real-time battery of actual use with this. And if it's good, I might even get one for my Hydahose. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you, Patreons, for your support. Give this video a big thumbs up.